Good morning, Divas. So today is the last day of Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 31. It is January 1st and we are headed to Target so that we can start our day. I have to go get some things for the store. We plan on having a family get together, so I have to go get some ingredients for some food that I'm making. My sister volunteered me or voluntold me to make some mac and cheese, so that's what I'll be making for the family get together later today. So I'm boiling the water for mac and cheese, and then I'll try to hurry and do that so I can get dressed and be ready to go. I have to be there at 1 o'clock and it is already 11:54. So I'm finished making the mac and cheese. Gonna put it in the oven here. And let that cook. It's 12:30 and I gotta be there at 1. So mac and cheese is done. We have our finished mac and cheese. I'm gonna put some foil on top. And then I'm gonna put it in this container here. I really like it because, like I said, it has a liner inside. It'll keep it warm. And if there's any spillage happening, it won't happen in my car. It'll happen in this bag. Look at the ankles. Look at the ankles all freshly.
Ashy.
No, freshly moisturized. That's what it is.
Right.
I got the mac and cheese in the car.
Like last night.
Can you give this to your mama? Tell her that's from me.
This is my cousin Brittany.
Hi.
That's my friend Martin.
Hey Martin, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
Ooh, I'm excited.
All right. So, oops, sorry. Oop. Thanks for doing that for me. All right. It's doing stuff now? That was funny. The sidewalk. How are you? Good, how are you? Camera ready. Always.
You can sit that right there with the camera over here. Happy New Year.
How are you, my queen?
Oh, what is that?
It's a camera, GoPro action camera.
That is
So,
neat.
I got you, Grandma. Okay.
You don't have to get your sneak and get a picture.
Got a sneak.
Yeah.
Hey, Jada, how are you? Say hey to the vlog. Okay, so, hey, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you.
Nice seeing you.
Hey, fam. Hey.
That's my grandmother. That's my grandmother.
He said, who says fam anymore?
So, boy, you was my friend on Facebook. You was my friend on Facebook.
Happy New Year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mama looking cute. Hey. Hey, Mom.
I just, you know.
Good. How have you been? Say hello to my people on here. This is the fabulous.
Well, now, go ahead and tell it. Go ahead and tell it.
All right, I'm gonna go get some games out my car.
Okay.
It's cold today, y'all. I'm about to go get some games out the car. And my camera, I have my big camera in the car too. I don't want that getting stolen. So I gotta hide it or put it inside. I might put it in the trunk. We'll see. Yeah, I have my camera. This is my Canon. And then some games I brought. I got this voting game, Taboo, and Categories. My little cousin Silver, they're having a conversation on the phone right now. Look at her. You never know come to talk.
Car stand. Come on over here. Act like you don't know. Big boy. You big boy. How are you?
We having real life conversations too. They deep conversations. Hey Sassy, you look cute.
You don't hear my hair?
We're about to eat real soon.
That's what I'm not doing.
You got it. So you think you cool because you can shoot? You think you cool because you can shoot?
What?
From a movie.
We gotta guess.
All my life.
Color purple. I love Papa.
But I accused him dead by letting him beat me.
I had to fight my
Medea.
They didn't think about having
No, see, y'all don't got the
Medea.
Medea. Thank you. Little girl like
Y'all be watching BET.
Oh, you guys. When we seen that at the movie theater, I was scared. Wait, Jada, the Afro blocking me.
Oh.
Okay, wait, she's blocking me. Come on, let's see, might as well get in it.
Come on, James. Yeah.
Photo bomb it. Okay. There we go. You looking up here, right here. Look right here. Ready?
This is my shame. Don't go here with them over there. You don't go?
I can't make it.
You don't go there? I mean, I don't know. Do you?
Oh, look at that.
That's very nice. Thank you.
And Leslie got me a nice little book, The 4-Year Career for Women. Put your future in your own hands. Come here, Donovan. High five. High five. High five. Yeah.
Too far away and realize
All the kids at school be like, you need to work at shots. Be like, yeah.
This one's better.
What are we doing? I said, oh, he's
That's not that field. There we go.
A family event. Got my girl A here.
They were pretty much saying like
Enjoying this natural
they were saying
sunlight,
like
taking
the
some
cops were
selfies.
like crooked, right?
Just enjoying it.
Happy New Year. So glad I got to spend it with you.
I don't know.
You good? Keep going. Hey, ow, ow, ow. Yes. Get it.
Girl, do what you do.
Yes.
Work at. You better go.
Go, Auntie. Yes.
Give it to him.
Photo shoot fresh. Photo shoot fresh. Hey.
Just how we hanging. Okay.
All right,
Talk about this. Any went crazy for a minute.
Who's okay? My camera.
All right. Now this is a decent picture of me and my baby sister.
Smile for Willie.
That's a good one. Smile for Willie.
1, 2, 3. Mama, you kind of hiding behind her hat.
I can't help it. She keep it there.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, righty there. Thank you, Terry.
Can I get one with Terry?
Yeah.
That's right. Yes. Your mama me tea.
Yeah. That's it.
My niece in the house.
Reg, I can't keep Reg said hi, Terry. You want to tell everybody hi. Okay, I got the phone, Reg. I'm taking a picture. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Got that one. 1, 2, 3. Stay there. Got it. Okay. Bye, y'all. So it is freezing. We are headed home. Trying to chill before the night. Tonight was fun. It's freezing cold, so I gotta turn on my air, but I had a blast. But I'm gonna go ahead and start driving home. I'll see you guys in a few. Hey Divas, so today is January 1st. This is the end of Vlogmas 2018. You guys, I want to just say thank you so much for tuning into my channel these past 31 days. It hasn't been easy, but you guys have stuck with me as I stayed consistent to my goal of wanting to do Vlogmas and be consistent with it. I'm so thankful that I didn't let it go, that I didn't give up. So I'm just grateful that I was able to finish what I started. And so thank you guys so much for watching me and learning more about me and letting me open up to you guys. Thank you so much for allowing me to be transparent with my life. And I'm so thankful for what Vlogmas has done for me. It's allowed me to grow. It's allowed me to stick to my guns, for allowing me to be consistent and to bombard you with these videos every single day. I truly appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. These next few days, I'm gonna get a little bit of rest, but I will be back with a video for you guys, and I will make sure I stay consistent as well. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, for participating in Vlogmas with me by leaving great comments and just, you know, keeping me going, because your comments help me as well. But thank you guys so much. It's been a long year, but we made it. We are in 2019 and we can only go up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.